Hello friends, today we are going to study about the colligative properties of the non-electrolyte solution. So before understanding the colligative properties, we need to understand what is non-electrolyte solution. So we will study with help of the comparison between electrolyte and the non-electrolyte solution. So here will be a electrolyte solution, and here will be non-electrolyte solution, non-electrolyte solution. So the first point which comes in electrolyte solution is they conduct electricity. They conduct electricity. And the first point which comes in non-electric solution is they does not conduct electricity. They do not conduct electricity. And the second point which comes is the compounds of electrolyte solution. When the electrolyte compound dissolves to form ion. Okay, so when they dissolve they form ion, and here compound dissolves does not form ion. Okay, so basically they does not form ion. Here the electrolyte solutions are, for example, NaCl, which gives on dissolving Na plus and Cl minus, and the example here is sugar. Okay, so these are the non-electrolyte solution. So we have understood the electrolyte solution and the non-electrolyte solution. So now we will study the colligative properties. So please take a screenshot, and now we will be studying the colligative properties. Okay. So what are the colligative properties? Basically, colligative properties are that properties which depends upon the number of the solute in solution. Okay. So the physical properties of solution, okay, that depends upon the number of solute particles in solution, and not on the nature of solute is known as what? Is known as colligative properties. So basically these are the physical properties of this solution. It does not depend on the nature, while they depend on the number of solute particles. Okay, so they depend upon the number of solute particles. So basically there are four colligative properties. These are: first, boiling point elevation, vapor pressure lowering, freezing point depression, and the last one is osmotic pressure. So these four are the colligative properties. In my upcoming videos, we will talking about each one in detail. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you.